Imagine a world where machines think like us. The debate of AI versus humans has captured imaginations everywhere. Today, we'll explore this fascinating topic and discover who might edge out the competition. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly evolving. It's designed to learn, adapt, and even outperform humans in certain tasks. But does that mean AI will surpass human intelligence? Let's dive into the comparison. First, consider problem solving. AI can analyze vast data sets quickly. It identifies patterns humans may miss. In contrast, humans use creativity and emotion to solve problems. This emotional intelligence is key in complex situations. Next, think about speed. AI processes information at lightning speed. Tasks like data sorting or calculations take seconds. Humans, while slower, excel in critical thinking. They integrate various perspectives into solutions. Now let's explore creativity. AI generates music and art, but is it truly creative? Humans bring personal experiences into their creations. This unique perspective is hard to replicate. We must also address learning. AI learns from data. It doesn't experience growth as humans do. Humans learn from life experiences, emotions, and social interactions. This depth of understanding shapes human intelligence significantly. Consider healthcare. AI can analyze medical records faster than doctors. However, doctors offer empathy and compassion. Patients often prefer a warm human touch in care. What about jobs? AI automates repetitive tasks, boosting efficiency. This may lead to job displacement. However, new roles emerge, requiring human skills like leadership and communication. In the realm of decision-making, AI aids in making informed choices. Still, humans weigh ethics and values in decisions. This moral compass is essential for impactful choices. To illustrate, picture a scenario where a robot guides us through a city. It efficiently navigates traffic. But, when a child runs into the street, a human reacts instinctively to protect them. In summary, while AI surpasses humans in speed and data processing, it lacks emotional depth and ethical reasoning. As AI continues evolving, the partnership between AI and humans can foster innovation. So, who will win? It's not a battle but a collaboration. Together, we can achieve greatness beyond imagination. If this video sparked your interest, like and subscribe for more content. Share your thoughts in the comments. Who do you think will emerge victorious, AI or humans? Let's discuss.